7 expensive cars that make you look poor. Number 7. Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. Starting at around $185,000, the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is one of the most luxurious sedans ever built. We're talking massaging rear seats, a starlight headliner, champagne flutes built into the center console. This car is basically a 5-star hotel suite on wheels. But here's the problem. From the outside, it looks like a really, really nice Mercedes. And that's exactly the issue. Most people, your neighbors, people at the valet, people at the light next to you, they cannot tell the difference between a Maybach S-Class and a base Mercedes S-Class that costs $115,000 less. You're paying a premium for a badge that starts with an M that most people will misread as just another Benz. Now, Maybach loyalists, I know you're furious right now. Drop a comment and defend it. I want to hear it. But facts are facts. Street cred? Low. Interior? Otherworldly. It's a car for people who already know they've made it and stopped caring if anyone else does. Maybach owners, do you care that people can't tell? Or is that actually the point? Let me know below.
Number 6. Porsche Panamera Turbo S. The Porsche Panamera Turbo S starts at around $190,000. It pushes 630 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. This car is an absolute monster. And yet, pull up anywhere that isn't a racetrack and watch what happens. Nothing, because the Panamera has had one problem since it launched. It looks like a bloated hatchback. I know, the Porsche faithful are already typing, but be honest with yourself. How many times have you seen a Panamera and confused it for something far more ordinary? The rear roofline is awkward, the proportions are chunky, and from certain angles, it looks like Porsche stretched a Macan and called it a day. You've got a car with supercar performance wrapped in a body that makes people go, oh, is that a Panamera? Or is that a Kia Stinger? For $190K, you deserve more drama than that.
Number 5. BMW Alpina B8 Grand Coupe. Now here's one most people don't even know exists, and that's kind of the problem. The BMW Alpina B8 Grand Coupe. $140,000 to $160,000. Hand-built. 621 horsepower. A bespoke machine that Alpina, one of the most respected BMW tuners in history, spent years perfecting. And it looks almost identical to a standard BMW 8 Series that starts at $88,000. Unless someone walks up and reads the Alpina badge on the fender, and most people have no idea what Alpina even is, this car is completely invisible. You're paying a serious premium for exclusivity that essentially no one around you will recognize or appreciate. It's the automotive equivalent of wearing a $3,000 suit that looks like an $800 suit to everyone at the party. For the true connoisseur, that's the appeal. For everyone else, it's a frustrating flex that flexes to almost nobody. Did you even know what Alpina was before this video? Be honest. Comment yes or no.
Number 4. Lexus LS 500. The Lexus LS 500. $80,000 to $115,000. One of the most mechanically flawless, technologically advanced luxury sedans on Earth. Legendary reliability, whisper-quiet cabin, Japanese craftsmanship that rivals anything from Germany. But here's the brutal truth. To most people, it still looks like a nice Toyota. And I say that with complete respect, because the LS is genuinely an incredible machine. But Lexus has always had a perception problem in the luxury space. When you roll up in an LS 500, people see comfort and practicality, not wealth and power. You're not making an entrance, you're making an arrival. There's a difference. The person who drives an LS 500 is quietly confident, smart with money, and not interested in performing for anyone. Honestly, that's admirable. But if you want people to react, this isn't your car. Lexus LS owners, does it bother you that people underestimate this car? Or is that secretly the flex? Tell me.
Number 3. Range Rover SV. Alright, this is the one I knew was going to be controversial. The Range Rover SV. We're talking $180,000 to $220,000 depending on spec. The most expensive, most exclusive Range Rover that money can buy. Ultra luxury interior, private jet-style rear seats, bespoke everything. But here's the issue. And Range Rover fans, hear me out before you close the video. Because the standard Range Rover looks so similar to the SV, and because the standard Range Rover is everywhere, and I mean everywhere, the SV has completely lost its visual exclusivity. Soccer moms, real estate agents, influencers, everyone has a Range Rover now. So when you pull up in your $200,000 SV, The person next to you assumes you're just another person with a $90,000 sport. You spent double to look exactly the same as half the people in the drop-off line at school. I genuinely believe this is the most quietly devastating entry on this list. And I think most Range Rover SV owners know it deep down. Range Rover owners, do you feel this? Or do you think I'm completely wrong? This comment section is about to be a war, and I am here for it.
Number 2. Bentley Flying Spur. The Bentley Flying Spur, $215,000 to $260,000. Hand-stitched leather, diamond knurled controls, a 6-liter W12 engine producing 626 horsepower. This is a masterpiece of automotive engineering and craftsmanship. Inside, it's one of the most beautiful places you can sit on 4 wheels. Outside, though, it's big, it's boxy, and compared to its stablemate, the Bentley Continental GT, it just doesn't have the same visual drama. The Continental GT is a swooping, aggressive, head-turning coupe. The Flying Spur is its sensible older sibling, who chose a sensible career and drives carefully through the school zone. People know it's expensive. They just don't feel it the way they should for a $250,000 car. When was the last time you saw a Flying Spur and actually stopped to look at it? And now compare that to seeing a Continental GT for the first time. Exactly. For $260,000, you deserve more than a polite nod. You deserve a crowd.
Number 1. Rolls-Royce Ghost. And here we are. Number 1. The Rolls-Royce Ghost. $340,000 to $420,000. The most technologically advanced car Rolls-Royce has ever built. Aluminum space frame architecture, the quietest cabin in automotive history. A driving experience so smooth that Rolls-Royce's engineers actually had to add noise back in because total silence felt unnatural. And yet, Rolls-Royce themselves admitted it. When they redesigned the Ghost for its second generation, they acknowledged that the original had become the choice of buyers who didn't want to be noticed. Customers who found the Phantom too loud, too conspicuous, too obvious. And so, the Ghost became known, even within Rolls-Royce, as the car for people trying to stay under the radar. At $400,000, under the radar. You have CEOs, billionaires, and old money families specifically choosing the Ghost because it doesn't scream. Because subtlety is the ultimate luxury when you're at that level. And look, that's genuinely a powerful statement. But here's the thing. If you don't know what a Ghost is, and a significant portion of the general public genuinely doesn't, or confuses it with a regular luxury sedan, then a $400,000 car just drove past them and they felt nothing. For most people on this list, looking understated is an accident. For Ghost owners, it's a philosophy. Whether that makes it the worst choice or the smartest choice on this entire list, that's for you to decide. Ghost owners or aspiring Ghost owners, is invisible luxury the smartest move, or is it a waste at $400K? I need your real opinion. Go. So there it is, 7 expensive cars that make you look poor. Look, every single one of these cars is extraordinary in its own right. But at these price points, you should be turning heads, not blending in. If this video made you question your next car purchase, or made you want to defend your current one, smash that like button and tell me in the comments which car you think got robbed on this list. And if you want to see more videos about cars, subscribe, drop a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.